Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Thursday, June 26th. So, what's going on today? Looking at forexfactory.com. We've got final GDP quarter on quarter. That just happened at minus 0.5%, which was worse than expected. So, that's not a good number, and the market did not like that number. Unemployment claims were slightly better than expected, but within range. So, nothing really to talk about there. Core durable goods orders were up by 0.5%, which was better than expected. Durable good orders were up 16.4%, much better than expected. 8.6 was what was expected. Final GDP price index quarter on quarter was 3.7. Again, not a good number. Expected was 3.7. And the goods trade balance was negative at negative 96,000. It was expected to be negative 86 billion, I should say. And preliminary wholesale inventories were slightly better than expected at minus 0.3 versus the 0.2% that was expected. So, yeah, a whole lot of numbers that just came out. And we have a talking head, FOMC member Goolsby, speaking at 8:30. 8:45, we have more talking heads. FOMC member Barkin speaks. FOMC member Daly speaks at 8:45. 9 a.m., we have FOMC member Haymack speaking. So here you go. A bunch of talking heads. That's four that are talking within an hour of half an hour of each other. 10 a.m., pending hold sales. And at 10:30, natural gas storage. Another talking head. FOMC member Barr speaking at 1:15 p.m. There you go. The only other item of interest is from the EU, or from the Eurozone. ECB President Lagarde speaks at 2:30, so I'll be aware of that. So packed amount of news. Wait and see what happens. A bunch of talking heads. There you have it. Moving on, looking at the daily chart. You can see we continue to break up from this bull flag above the moving averages. A bullish candle, or I should say, a bullish pattern. So there you have it. Volume very sloppy, not confirming. Yeah, where we got to go. There's definitely some resistance around 61.91 and 62.36. Those are some high volume nodes. We have major support at 60.70 and some at 61.08. So those are some numbers for you. Looking at the inventory, price action was positive, and we had big inventory increase, about 12,500 contracts. So pretty decent amount. These are correlated in direction, and that's what we want to see. So not going to spend any time on that. Moving on. Overnight action. We got high of 61.71, a low of 41, so it's about 30 points. So 30 points of overnight action. That is less than it has been. I mean, it's more than yesterday. Yesterday was at only 19, so we had a little bit more, but still right around the historical average of around 22 to 25. So a little bit higher than average, but still way lower than it has been for the last couple of weeks. Support and resistance. We've got resistance above 61.93, 62.10. That's all I'm gonna say today. Support 61.41, 61.31, 61.20ish. We get below that, 6100, of course, is the number. Stock Traders Almanac for today, 47.6. We have a negative bias for the market. It's about a negative 3.5% chance. So there is a 53.4% chance the market will go down versus going up. That's from the Stock Traders Almanac. Hope you have a great day. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.